Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today, I don't know what we're going to be doing. I don't know. No, I just record every day, daily. Sometimes, I just miss days. Like this morning, I would have recorded this morning, but I was busy playing with my friend on Minecraft, and I had tuba practice. So, I'm just going to change because I got out of the pool, and then I will be back. And I'm done. That was actually awesome and quick. So, oh, sorry. Oh, hi, Rock. Me and Rocky just chilling. That looks like a good movie. Spider-Man Homecoming. Rocky. He's a good kitty cat. Yep. If you haven't seen the last video and you just noticed my new intro, then I made a new intro. I need to quit. But luckily, I did quit. And those are the ones I'm going to be using. Those. You'll see at the end of the video what I mean by those. So, what's going on? Yep, if you've been over here before, well, no, I don't think anybody that watches me has been over here before, except my cousin. Then, here, I'll show you something. I just stole Tootsie Roll from the table, but, outside right now, okay, so we have an old white shed, and, oh, you're probably wondering what that was. That's part of the shed. It was white, like that top piece right there. But then down there, the rest is a different color. You know why? Because we took out the boards, or we didn't take the boards out. What's this? Oh, we didn't take the boards off. We just put a board up against it and just put the nails in it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Nada. Nada? What's that?
Nothing.
Oh.
I'm not doing homework.
Huh?
Homework.
Oh, I thought you said I'm not doing homework. Yeah, I know.
You need to hang that stuff on there too.
What stuff?
Your what stuff?
I'm recording, can't you see?
Okay.
Ew! The guy opened a box and there was a bunch of pieces.
Yeah.
And he looked and he just opened his mouth.
And they're in there.
Ew. That's gross. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I guess I have to go put my stuff on the deck, so, here. And we're done! That was fast, and, yeah, during that small little time, like, that much time, I taught my mom how to transition. She thought I was talking about PowerPoint transitions. You going into your mansion?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
You did. You just went into your mansion. Okay. Whoa, that's a bright lantern! I know it's bright, isn't it? Hey, I can use this for my desk. I could, like, what could I do? Where could I put this? I could put this, like, right here, and I could, here. Okay. Didn't turn on. What the heck? What the frick is happening? Why won't this work? Oh. Turn the front part off. Then turn that on. What the? Yeah, I don't know what's happening, but... Frick, man! That's loud! What is happening? Like, my computer won't. Is everything plugged in? Is everything alright? Did I just go there? That's just that's where Donald Trump here. I don't really even care. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what's happening. My dang computer won't turn on. Hopefully I get it turned on before the end of this video. Before I want to post this. Because then I won't be able to post it. Oh yeah, I still have that Tootsie Roll in my pocket. Well, that was sad. I could just see myself in the mirror right now. You can see yourself in the mirror too. What? That's actually cool. But, Rocky, can you entertain them? Entertain them while I go do something? Thank you.
Introducing the new breakfast quesadilla, now at Taco Bell. Every wish someone you love dies.
Thank you, Rocky. Computer wouldn't turn on. That girl chased a chicken, picked it up, and held it up in the air. What's your villager next to your giant cat?
Preston.
That's me.
I came in from here. Preston. Preston, I came in from here.
Oh. She caught me. Back in the drill. What the heck? The flash drive. That's stupid. Well, that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow or later today, because sometimes I do 2 videos a day, but I will see you tomorrow or later today. Bye.
Have a good day.